does my wife know that you snore?
Well, I'll tell you, we didn't sleep much on our honeymoon either, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, because this guy would not stop snoring.
I do not snore.
Yes, you do.
And how do you know that Nick snores?
Well,
Why does my wife know that you snore?
Because when we went on that group camping trip, I could hear Nick snoring through their tent.
camping, yes.
Bullshit. Our tents were way too far apart. I had to hop over a creek to sneak into theirs.
Why the f*** were you sneaking into our tent?
She asked me for a pencil and I did. Don't change the subject on me.
Okay, look, clearly we've all fucked each other. So we should be equal, right? There's no victim here. We're all even Stevens, huh?
Even Stevens.
Even Steven.
I